everybody, welcome to Belle Speaks. So today I want to do something a little different. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of my living room. I live in an apartment in Atlanta, and the location where I live is amazing. The complex I live in is old, it's quiet, it's in the cut. You really don't even know it's here. You can't see it. The GPS won't pick it up. It is the bomb. Okay, and I love it here. I've been here for 5 years, and so I'm gonna give you a tour of my living room today. It is me. It's everything me. I love everything I love. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my living room is really simple. I don't like a lot of stuff. I like everything to be really minimal, really simple. And so right here, I just have my sectional, and I had these sconces. They supposed to have like little glass jars like right here, and I could put like tea light candles in them, but I had a bad experience, so I don't like that. I just wrapped some fake roses around them, and I like it like that because I don't want fire on my wall anymore. And I know I could use the fake candles, but I don't like them. I don't care for them. And then yeah, it's not that important to me anymore, so that's fine. I have this mirror, which I've had this mirror for years. I actually bought this piece of glass at Lowe's years and years ago. I probably over a decade now I've had this mirror, and I took it to a framing shop and had them frame it for me. It's actually black, and I put silver tape over it to make it silver, and I could always remove that and it would be black again. It's black or white, one of those. This couch I've had for a second. All my pillows came from Home Goods. I love plants, so I have like a lot of plants. Even though my plants have been, the leaves has been turning brown, even though I water them, I don't know what to do. I have a gnat infestation right now that is driving me insane. So if you know a way for me to get rid of the gnats, please let me know. Oh, it is greatly appreciated. Right here, I have two end tables that I have as a center table because I was looking for a specific dimension of table, and I just couldn't find one. And I didn't find one that was simple, clean lines the way I liked, and it was really annoying. So again, here go my money tree. I love that. This little plant I got from, I think it was Burlington. Okay, and this little jar, they have M&Ms in it because that's the only sugar allowed in my house. And yeah, that it just stays there. I don't know who eat that, but whatever. These tables I actually found at Goodwill. They were black. They're just IKEA basic side tables. They were about $3.99, and I DIY'd them. I just painted them and put glass on top, glass tiles, and voila, it became beautiful and what I needed, exactly what I needed actually. And in case you don't realize, I love glass and mirrors. Rug I got from IKEA a long time ago. So I was actually in the process of learning how to make these paper flowers because I wanted to do a paper flower wall. And I made those, and I had them just sitting inside this thing right here, which I'm going to get to in a minute. And then I was decorating in here, and I was like, man, something missing, and I decided to put them on the wall since it's flowers and girly anyway. It's really cute. It made sense. The color go well, so whatever. These pictures, two of the exact same things I have here. I got these from Home Goods as well. And right when they reopened the stores after quarantine, I absolutely love this picture. At night, the picture itself gets black, and around the silver around stays silver, but you can see the entire silhouette of the picture. Absolutely freaking brilliant and beautiful. I love these, so love it. The window on this side, I have a bar cart, which I used to have liquor on, but I don't drink, so I stopped buying alcohol in my house. So that's a no-go. I love plants. I have plants here. This one, this fig tree, absolutely love it. I have about 3 of these actually. The little one, this one, and then that one. These, I don't have an actual light in this room, so I bought this hanging light from Home Goods. Was it Home Goods or Ross? One of those. I think it was Ross. And it actually worked out really, really well because I like a lot of light and stuff. Moving on to this part of my living room. This right here is actually right here is actually kitchen cabinets, guys. It's the bomb. So one thing you would learn about me is that I am Miss DIY Queen. I absolutely love a beautiful home. I love to come home and be very, very happy in my space. I think where you live is a direct reflection of who you are. And it's really important to have beautiful things that you like as an individual around you and things that make you happy. Everything in my home makes me happy when I look at it. It makes me feel cozy and comfortable. And it's simple, but I absolutely love my apartment. It's me. This piece of furniture that you're looking at is actually kitchen cabinets, right? So the backstory on it is one day I went to IKEA and they had just the raw cabinets with no legs, no top, no anything. And it was like, I think it was like $20 or $35 for one. So they're actually 2 pieces here. And I just put a screw in the middle and attach them together. So in here is like where I keep all my Christmas stuff and all of that good jazz. So that's in here because Christmas is also my favorite holiday. And I put mirror on top and I put doors on it. I also put legs on it, and it really looks like a piece of furniture. It's so functional and I absolutely love it. I am moving soon and I'm definitely taking that with me. I was going to sell everything and start over like I usually do because I like change, but instead I'm not going to do that. So this is my other plant right here. And I have 2 of these lights, one on each side. The other one is over there. And this mirror, I can't remember where I got this from, but I know when I first got it, it was gold, and then I spray painted it hot pink. Also, this wall that this is on right here is actually baby pink, guys. Let me step back. So these walls are like taupey. It's like this taupey looking color. And this is cute. See the color right here? That's what most of these walls are. But when I get to this wall right here, it's baby pink. It's a very, very subtle pink. If you look in the corner, you could kind of like see the difference in the two, like right there. So one wall is pink, one wall is taupe, and I really, really love that. I love the color. I love the aesthetics of it. And then finally, hold on. This room door is open and I have to close it because I don't want y'all seeing in there yet. Or my bathroom. I'll show that later. Maybe. Depending on how many views I get for this video, it's going to depend. So, okay. Right here, I have a huge mirror. In case you hadn't figured it out, I love mirrors. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, if you want to count these as 4, and the table is 5. There's a lot of mirrors happening in this room and I absolutely love it. This is a full-length mirror where I could see from it's not ceiling to floor, but it's almost ceiling, but it is a full-length mirror. I really like my house. Okay guys, that concludes my living room tour. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, leave a comment and subscribe and share. And until next time, I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like. Let me know what you would change. Oh, and my mirror came from Kirkland's. I think I forgot to mention that. So I did get this mirror from Kirkland's, okay? I have several full-length mirrors in this house. If I do other tours of other rooms, then maybe you'll get to see them. All right, until next time, see you later. Bye, guys.